guys, we are back with Bigg Boss discussion, and it is on the yesterday's episode. So, if you missed whatever happened on yesterday's episode, we are here to tell you. It was eviction day, and Naveen Prakash is the third person evicted from the house. We have Kameshwari with us, who will tell us more about the episode.
So Naveen got evicted, and he's the third Indiawala who is getting, who has got evicted from the house constantly for consecutive third week now. It is also surprising because he was standing against people who are not active in the house, whether it be Lokesh Kumari or whether it is Rahul Dev. Rahul Dev, on my perspective, Rahul Dev had the more, he should have been the one who
should have been evicted. Yeah.
Because by the end of the day, he is not giving any footage. He is having his leisure time. He is relaxing in the house and is not participating. On the contrary, Naveen was very good at that.
Yeah, he was active enough with Manu and all the roommates of his people. So he was active enough, but it's just the third time that in a row only Indiawalas are being evicted.
And even Indiawala are very concerned about this. That why is it that even after doing all that is possible, it is us who is getting evicted? The secret behind it is not known till now. So let's keep watching the show and realize what happens next and why is it that Indiawala are getting nominated. On the other hand, we also saw that it was the first week when a captain was nominated for the house, and it was Vijay Bani. But apparently, as a captain, she is not. She's somebody who is taking others' advice, not having her own stand. And जैसे वो कहते हैं ना कि दो नावों पे पैर रखना कि मैं इधर भी मैं उधर भी.
Very safe. And this is the thing which the ex-contestants also which came in the house took her class on. So what do you have to say on this?
Well, Tanisha and Vijay Andy, who were a participant in Bigg Boss 7, did point out that she is being lenient as a boss, as a captain of the house, and she's not able to take a call or giving verdict on what she feels about it. Her nominations or her decisions, especially what happened with Manoj Punjabi, that she gave treat in the morning and शाम को उसको जेल में डाल दिया, went really weird with audience.
Opposite her part, like what was she's there for?
Yeah. So I think she needs to gear up as a captain, and Indiawala are also in this. They are scared that she might be targeting Indiawala only for every task or every done that it's been giving in the house. So that might be quite possible because these celebrities have very strong bond with each other.
And coming to the next point was the class taken by Salman Khan on Swami Om. Yeah, he revealed his true face to the Pardafash.
In his words.
So what do you have to say on that part of that? So
well, it was much needed. We all wanted the housemates to know that what actually happened in the secret room. But what was really weird was that they were laughing on whatever Swami Om said, whether it is comments against women or any abusive language in the house. So I hope that they today's episode they take a call on that. I would wrap up here. Keep watching this space to know more about Bigg Boss.